Alright, so I got some packages and I ordered some stuff for during the Amazon Prime, and let's see what I received. Alright, let's do some let's start from the beginning. Box here. I don't know what's inside. Let's open it up. Okay, this is all we have, and let's see what's in the second box. Can you guess what this is? It has a name on it. So I had my car battery go off for me the last time, so away and open up the skincare stuff. Alright, so let's open this up one by one. This is COSRX. I don't even know how you pronounce this. COSRX, is that how you pronounce it? I don't even know. But I have not used this particular one before, but I have used this brand and I really love the brand. It's a Korean skincare brand. So let's see. It's a Hyaluronic acid intense cream and moisturizer. I don't know if you have used this before. Let me know in the comment section if you have used this before. Let's see. Ooh, look at that. Looks good. Let me see. It doesn't have a smell, but looks like it's gonna be very moisturizing. That's it. Let's go to the next. I have not used this before as well, but I want to try it. So, as a matter of fact, no, I've not used this before. This is the Glow Deep Serum Rice in Alpha Arbutin from Beauty of Joseon. It's kind of similar to, where's that other one that I used to use? I don't have it here. Yeah, so let's also see. Looks good. I smell it. It also doesn't have a smell. Okay, next one is the Ordinary, which is the Alpha Arbutin 2%. I'm not sure what this is. I have not used it before as well, but I wanted to try it. Let's see. Hopefully these things will not break me out. I'm going to be using them one at a time, so I know which one works and which one does not work. Alright, so on to the next one. Another one is this is like a, I don't know, what is this? Peeling solution, exfoliating facial. This looks like it's going to be very ash. I don't know, we'll see. We'll try it and then we'll come back to give a review. This is Anua, one of my favorite brands. I have the other one, the Niacinamide, and I wanted to try this. So I'm going to try this and let you guys know. Kind of similar to the one I have, but that one was like red or pink or so. Okay, let's see. It's like a peach flavor or smell. It has a very nice sweet smell to it. Okay. Let me know if you guys want a review, a full review of this. Faded, I always love their mask, the under eye mask. But this is what faded clearance serum. Wow, so little. So I'm gonna be trying that as well. All these are from Amazon, guys. Alright, so I have this. I'm just stocking up on this one. This is the Snail Mucin. I'm sure a lot of you guys know this. It is very good and I would recommend this. I've used this for like 2-3 years now. It's very, very nice for hydrating. If you have dry skin, you should go for this. Put this up. I'm not even editing this, I'm just posting this the way it is so you can see that. Okay, and then this is, you guys know this, EOS lotion. And also I love this because it's very, very good for your dry skin. And this, I'm trying this for my daughter. I don't know, she's breaking out for some reason, but I don't know, this is my first time using this, so we'll see how, if it's going to work or not. This is also a Korean brand. Alright, that's it. Let me know what you guys think, and I will be posting an updated video if I ever use this, or if this ever works for my face. I will let you guys know. Bye.